machine learning environment and learn some basic machine learning code, especially the one we practiced. First, you would like to click on the start button and then type in CMD. When you type in CMD, you see the command prompt. You are not looking at the command prompt. You must have had Anaconda installed. If you do not have Anaconda, you may want to go to their website. You may want to click in here and Anaconda. Then you go to their homepage and you can download Anaconda. Now here we assume you already have Anaconda. So when you open up the CMD, it opens up like this. You want to first create an environment. So conda create -n. You can call it TensorFlow. I would like to work with TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a package, a Python package for machine learning, hosted by I think Google. Yeah, it's for Google. So I call it TF. You can call it TensorFlow. Let me call it TF5, for example. So that's and then you can say Python equals 3.9. I want Python 3.9 installed in this environment. So now I am going to have an environment inside Anaconda. You click yes here, and then the environment name is TF5. That means once the environment is ready, now it's ready. You can, so it's done. You can activate it. So conda activate TF5. You will see that now it is activated here. I need to install the library which I would like to do the machine learning on. Usually this is how it goes. You first install the environment. Anytime you want to use this environment, you use it there. I would like to install first TensorFlow. So pip install TensorFlow. I assume that I am a new user and I am installing for CPU version. In fact, in this video I am installing a very old version because that's easier to get started with. So TensorFlow equal 2.10. That's the version I'm installing. After installation, I also would like to install the second important library, which is NumPy. All Python data science related computations. You can barely have any computation that did not take advantage of NumPy. NumPy is really, really important. This process might take a few moments, so I would pause. After installation, I would like to now proceed with NumPy. So pip install NumPy. But I would like to install the NumPy that is compatible with this TensorFlow. If you did not install the NumPy compatible with the TensorFlow, you may have issues in running the TensorFlow or sometimes in importing. So I would take the version, any version less than 2.0. So let me take 1.25. So I'm installing NumPy version 1.25. After installation, everything is installed now. But I need to see where the code can be written. I mean, I need some GUI to interact with. So I'm going to install JupyterLab. So pip install Jupyter Lab. This Jupyter Lab is where I can write my code and see results. I'll pause the video. Jupyter Lab is successful. Now I would like to exit and restart. So I exited, click again, CMD. I find Anaconda prompt, not command prompt, Anaconda prompt. Here is in the base. I go Conda, activate TF5. You will see now it is activated here. And then I can run my Jupyter Lab. Because I already have Jupyter Lab. Now I would like to start my operations. Let's assume f of x. First I need to test. So let's say import TensorFlow. Import TensorFlow as TF